Hi, I'm doing a quick video to bide the time whilst I'm waiting for the Tour of Britain, the cycle race, to go past. I'm going to film it. Got my kit sitting over there ready, and it is a misty day, and someone's just asked me a question about mist and the problems that one has with mist and drone flying. And there's four main issues that I can think of off the top of my head, or as other YouTubers seem incapable of not saying off the bat. Or the word super this, super that, is one, you can mist up the lens, you get poor visibility of the image. Two, that the electronics get affected. If you get water in there, that's going to do them no good and risk catastrophic failure. Three, it greatly affects the radio signal from your transmitter to the drone. It diminishes the strength of that. And fourthly, and most importantly, I would say, is that you risk losing visual line of sight, which is one of the most key things with drone flying. It's a thing that is going to save you smacking into an aeroplane or a helicopter that may be suddenly in your area. And it's a thing that might stop you from going to prison and killing lots of people and stuff like that. So most countries, it's illegal to fly without visual line of sight. And you also have maximum flight distances of 500 meters in most countries. Some people love to do videos testing how far the drone can fly. It's an incredibly stupid thing to do. It's really dangerous, and because of visual line of sight. So it's foolish. So keep it 500 meters. You've set it, most drones you can set it to a maximum, so even if you're distracted and excited by something you want to film, the drone won't actually let you go those 500 meters, and you will avoid making the newspapers and having fun in the showers when incarcerated. Okay, so that's a little short video on drone flying in the mist. I know it's very tempting to go up through the clouds and get that shot above, but it is daft and dangerous. Okay, thank you for watching. Any questions, just ask.